All right, we are GPS and track, and we just had a car stolen without our GPS tracker in it. The guy bought it just to track this car. He was worried about it, and we can watch it getting stolen in real time. So here's the guy that's kind of casing the Dodge Charger, right? So he's gone. Is he going to come back? Of course he's going to come back. He's a go-getter. So now he's somehow duplicated the key, right? And here he gets into the car with ease. Now keep in mind, the GPS tracker's on the desk inside. It should be in this car right now. He's not checking for GPS trackers. Nobody's doing that. We would be tracking this in real time. Now what I do like is they parked the car behind it so nobody could steal it. So what does this guy do? Because he's an industrious fellow, drives forward. There he goes. Enjoy your car. There's no way they're filing an insurance claim on this. Insurance rates are going to go sky high, right? This is a business. This is a dealership. They had the tracker. They were worried about this car. They're having inventory theft. This is what makes GPS tracking technology so awesome. They would have been alerted right away through geo-fencing that it took off. They'd be able to call the police, recover it before the guy even got to its final destination. So right now that car is bye-bye. The technology was there. It just needs to be used. So if you have cars, you have trailers, you have equipment, you got heavy equipment, you got skid steers, loaders, watercraft, boats, assets, generators. GPS tracking is awesome technology to kind of protect and monitor it in real time, to know exactly where it is in case this becomes you. We do recovery every single day. We hear crazy stories, but this is kind of nuts just because they had the tracker on the desk, which made it kind of worthless.